Hi, I'm Mike, and today we're going to be fixing an exhaust on this vehicle. What's going on with it is there's two pipes that come together with a flange, and it has these three pressed-on studs that are held on with nuts. This is kind of a common problem. I've seen it a few times. What happens is the threads, the bolts, it all just corrodes and rusts, and it falls apart, and it starts a leak at the seam there where the two flanges come together. So what we're going to do is I'm going to knock those studs out. I'm going to replace them with regular bolts that I got from a hardware store, and then I'm going to put high temp RTV sealing around the flanges and I run the bolts in, and that'll be fine for a while. It's definitely a good solid repair. It'll last for a long time like that. So I'll take you down there and show you what I got going on. Okay, so this is what it looks like underneath the vehicle here. This stud is actually broken on this guy here. This one, the nut looks like it's pretty much corroded to it. Nothing. That one there on the other side looks kind of normal, but it looks rusty also. So that's what we're going to do is I'm going to take an air hammer and knock these out or cut them off, wherever it takes.
Get it?
Did you get it?
Yep.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the RTV sealant on these flanges on both of them, and I'm going to smear it with my hand. Just run a bead around it like this. Then I'm going to do the same for this side. I'm going to have to reposition myself. Smear it like that. And that's plenty. And actually that's probably enough to do it. But because I'm the way I am, I'm going to put it on both sides. Okay, we were successful with this repair. We saved a lot of money by doing it this way, and I think it's a pretty solid repair. It is a little challenging, but we got it done today. Thanks for watching.